Justice follows me in my darkest valleys when evil surrounds me. I will not fear, your presence is here, it's over me. Constant mercies, unrestrained, great is your faithfulness, great is your grace, great is your grace. Unabandoned, new each day, great is your faithfulness, great is your grace, great is your grace.
At the dawn of morning,
Say mercies are
mercies are falling.
as your
As
grace.
your grace and mercy rest upon my heart.
When my heart is raised,
My heart is racing
down over
down over days.
say I will not fear.
I will not fear. Your presence is here over me.
Say I will not fear.
I will not fear. Your presence is here over me.
Constant mercies, unrestrained, great is your faithfulness, great is your grace, great is your grace. Constant mercies, unrestrained, great is your faithfulness, great is your grace, great is your grace.
Great is your
Grace. Thank God for His grace. Hallelujah. Hallelujah. Yeah, hi guys. Holy Lessons coming at you a beautiful week with another beautiful song, Constant Mercies by Phil Thompson. So without further much ado, we'll get into some breakdown right away. So song is in the key of D major. So we have our 1, our 2, our 3, our 4, our 5, our 6, our 7, and our 1. Okay, so basically start off with the intro, and this is a very, very simple, interesting song, okay, because basically it has 2 verses and like 2 choruses, but basically same progression and same, of course, lyrics with just a little difference. Okay, so we'll get into some playing right away. So the breakdown is basically, so we start off on a 6. Okay, so basically that's the whole intro. So we start off on a 6. Okay, so on a 6 I have the D, okay, octave on the right. So I have the D and the D. I can add the A, okay. So on the left I have the B and the A. So R6 to the 7. So on the 7 I have the D flat, the A and the B on the left, and on the right I have the D, sorry, the E and the E. Okay, so let's add the B. Okay, so we have our 1. So I have the D, the G flat, the A, and on the right I have the D, the A, okay, and the G flat. Okay, so I have the G flat, sorry, the A and the G flat, which is basically our 1. So okay, so on the 3